The Semper Cares Initiative started years ago, and it was just our idea. We wanted to give back. We're a veteran-owned company, so why not pick a vet? We're here on Veterans Day, and we just finished installing a set of solar panels for Denise, so it's been a great day. We put the word out to everybody. Do you want to nominate somebody who was in the service?
My wife, who's extremely humble, I thought she'd be perfect to nominate.
I went into the military right out of high school and I joined the Navy. I signed up to be a hospital corpsman. I did 4 years of active duty and then I did 4 years of active reserves. And then I got recalled to Desert Storm, Desert Shield.
Hospital corpsman was the direction I went, same as Denise. And I was in the middle of the first Gulf War. I got out and also joined the active reserves. That's when I met Denise. The first time I saw her, I was like, that's who I'm gonna marry.
They have 18 beautiful black-on-black panels. Pretty soon they'll be able to flip on the switch and get away from the electric company.
It was just amazing. It's hard to speak without getting choked up to get that kind of news.
And so she cried like she's about to do now.
It's awesome to be out here on Veterans Day, giving back to Denise and her family. We really appreciate veterans' service to our country.
Their electric bill typically runs around $300-400. That's gonna go away.
It's a relief to have something like that. It's pretty amazing because that was one of my future goals, to be able to have solar.
I'm very proud to be part of a company with LG, to be able to provide the panels and to have great partners like Semper.
I understand what veterans such as myself, we go through, and having little things such as, a bill get taken care of here or there, just a little something that we can be appreciative for every day.
I can't imagine us getting an electric bill and not thinking about Semper Solaris. It's a gift that keeps giving every month.
They're very professional, easy to talk to, very efficient the way they worked. We are very grateful that you're doing this during this time.
One of my personal goals in life is just to always give back as much as I can, and especially to veteran families.
For her to be singled out and acknowledged when her whole life has been about caring for veterans, it was significant.
On behalf of female veterans, thank you, because sometimes they're a population that aren't recognized, and I thank you for taking that step.